Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting apps on your Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To remove apps using the watch, click the digital crown to open up the app menu. On the app menu, hold down on any app until everything wiggles. You can now tap the X icon beside any app that you want to remove from your watch, and then tap Delete App on the pop-up. You can also delete apps from your watch using your iPhone. To do that, open up the Watch app. In the Watch app, scroll down to get to the list of apps and tap on an app you want to remove. Deselect the option Show on Apple Watch. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.